Hey there, fellow tech enthusiasts. Are you ready to embark on an epic journey into the world of coding? Today, I'll be your guide as we explore the exciting realm of web development and learn how to code your very own website. If you're a complete beginner or someone looking to expand their skills, this video will be your gateway to becoming a coding master. So, let's dive right in. Picture this. You have a brilliant idea, a groundbreaking concept that you want to share with the world. Well, having a website is the perfect platform for showcasing your brilliance. It's now easier than ever to bring your ideas to life and connect with others, thanks to coding. Now, let's start with the basics. HTML, or Hypertext Markup Language, is the building block of every web page. It's like the skeleton that gives structure and meaning to your website. Don't worry, it's not as intimidating as it sounds. With HTML, you'll learn how to create headings, paragraphs, images, links, and so much more. It's like playing with Legos, assembling different pieces to create something extraordinary. Once you've got a solid foundation in HTML, it's time to make your website visually appealing with CSS, aka Cascading Style Sheets. CSS helps you add colors, fonts, backgrounds, and other eye-catching styles to your web pages. Think of it as the paintbrush that brings your website to life. HTML and CSS can do wonders, but if you want to add interactivity and take your website to the next level, you gotta learn JavaScript. This powerful programming language allows you to build dynamic elements, create animations, handle user interactions, and so much more. JavaScript is the secret sauce that turns a basic website into an engaging online experience. No journey is complete without the right tools in your backpack. Luckily, there are tons of amazing resources available to help you along the way. From online courses to interactive coding platforms and vibrant communities, the world of web development is at your fingertips. Remember, practice makes perfect. The best way to gain confidence and hone your coding skills is by building projects. Start with small, achievable goals and gradually challenge yourself with more complex websites. Trust me, the more you code, the better you'll become. Congratulations! You've now taken your first steps into the exciting world of web development. By learning HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, you've unlocked endless possibilities to create stunning websites and bring your wildest ideas to life. So why wait? Don't let the fear of coding hold you back. Start your coding adventure today, and who knows, maybe the next big thing on the internet will be your creation. Remember, the only limit is your imagination. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more epic coding adventures.